Huy Hoang greets the entire Interlink family. Recently, the spokesperson for Interlink Vietnam published a very insightful analysis on X.com as follows. Interlink sole private mainnet, when the real competition is no longer blockchain, but ecosystems. South Korea is rapidly emerging as one of Asia's leading countries in tokenizing real-world assets, RWA. Supported by an increasingly clear legal framework, strong participation from major financial institutions, and one of the world's most dynamic digital asset investor communities, the country is positioning itself at the forefront of the next financial revolution. A recent example perfectly illustrates this trend. 3 subsidiaries of Samsung, Samsung Mobile, Samsung Securities, Samsung SDS, and Samsung Card have agreed to acquire a combined 4% stake in Dunamu, the operator of Upbit, South Korea's largest cryptocurrency exchange, for approximately 612.8 billion won, over $408 million. This is not simply a financial investment. Samsung Securities aims to enter the tokenized securities market, STO. Samsung SDS plans to combine AI, cloud infrastructure, and blockchain technology to build next-generation financial services. Meanwhile, Samsung Card is preparing to develop a stablecoin backed by the South Korean won to integrate digital asset payments into its financial ecosystem. Together, these initiatives reveal a powerful trend. The future doesn't belong to standalone blockchains, but to platforms capable of connecting traditional finance, real-world assets, digital payments, and artificial intelligence within a unified ecosystem. This raises a crucial question. Why did Amazon and Google startup choose to support Interlink at a stage where the project was almost undeveloped? In the tech industry, leading corporations don't invest based solely on existing assets. They invest based on future vision, execution capabilities, and the potential to shape emerging markets. The history of the crypto industry provides many examples of this principle. From the beginning, BitGet chose not to build a blockchain called BitGet Chain. Instead, the company focused on expanding its centralized exchange, developing copy trading, BitGet wallet, and growing its user ecosystem. Building a true Layer 1 blockchain requires massive capital, technical talent, and long-term commitment. Today, BitGet has chosen Morph Network, an Ethereum Layer 2 solution, as the blockchain infrastructure supporting the development of the BGB ecosystem. However, Interlink has chosen a far more ambitious path. In about a year of development, the project successfully launched its testnet and is now preparing for mainnet. More importantly, Interlink is not just building a blockchain, it is building an integrated ecosystem within a single application. Layer 1 blockchain, digital asset wallet, transaction infrastructure, Interlink scan, payment solution, real-world asset tokenization infrastructure, AI agents. This integrated approach accurately reflects the direction many of the world's largest technology and financial companies are pursuing. Looking at current industry trends, projects based on traditional mining are increasingly struggling to keep up with a market that now demands real-world utility through physical assets, digital payments, and AI-powered applications. Looking further, history shows that the most successful blockchain ecosystems often benefit from strong institutional backing. Solana gained momentum thanks to support from major venture capital funds and industry leaders. XRP built a robust network through global financial partnerships. Coinbase has grown with the backing of some of the world's most influential tech investors. Today, Interlink is backed by Amazon and Google startup. While such support doesn't guarantee success, it shows the project is gaining recognition for its technological potential and practical applicability. The next era of competition may no longer be blockchain versus blockchain. Instead, it could become a strategic competition between the global technology ecosystems behind them. In this context, the official announcement by the chairman of KV Interlink about the upcoming Interlink sole private mainnet carries far more significance than a simple name. It's a strategic statement. Why Seoul? Because South Korea is rapidly becoming one of Asia's most important hubs for digital assets, tokenization of physical assets, and blockchain-based finance. While Singapore remains the leading global financial center, South Korea possesses a unique advantage thanks to the direct involvement of tech and financial giants such as Samsung, Kakao, Naver, Dunamu, and many others. The choice of Seoul as the location and identity for this important mainnet milestone demonstrates that the Interlink team is not only focused on technology development, but ALS. Interlink is also positioning itself at the heart of one of the most significant digital asset transformations currently underway globally. June is fast approaching. After more than a year of relentless development, Interlink is preparing to enter what may be the most crucial phase in its history. Congratulations to the development team, investors, and linkers worldwide. Interlink Sol private mainnet is more than just an upgrade. It may represent the beginning of a new chapter for the Interlink ecosystem in the era of real assets, digital payments, and artificial intelligence. Note, all information provided above is for educational and informational purposes only, and is designed to encourage self-research. This is not financial advice or a recommendation to buy or sell any assets.